Using eBoulevard Support Center. eBoulevard Support Center instantly turns your web browser into a complete web-based help desk and trouble ticket management system. Once set up, you can easily resolve your customers' technical problems, remotely access computers online for maintenance and control, and manage any size support organization. The system is completely modular. You can configure Support Center to only use the components that you need. Furthermore, each component can be configured to your preferences. The components are trouble ticketing, remote diagnosis, access and control, trend analysis and billing, customer service rep performance measurement, and co-branding. Trouble ticketing. If you're using the trouble ticket system, the administrator will set up a user account for each individual or group that provides support. This individual is typically a customer service representative or CSR. If you're the only person doing support, you'll be the administrator and the CSR. In larger organizations, you can organize CSRs into multiple administrative groups. Trouble tickets are used when a customer has a problem and needs help. Using the web contact method, details describing the problem are input directly by the customer from your support request page. If customers call into the CSR via phone contact method, the CSR creates the ticket while on the phone. You can use both methods concurrently, with some tickets generated from the web and others by phone. Your customizable web contact method page is available 24/7 at support.eboulevard.com/user ID, where user ID is either the administrator's or the CSR's username on eBoulevard. Tickets generated via the administrator URL can be queued for review and subsequently assigned to a CSR. Tickets logged via CSR URL go directly into the CSR's ticket queue. This page also loads the support applet to collect diagnostic information and set up the customer's computer for remote access. When a web contact method ticket is generated, the administrator or CSR will be notified via email or SMS message of the new ticket. Already equipped with the user's problem description and technical info, a single mouse click connects him to the problem PC to diagnose and resolve. If the problem can't be resolved, notes can be added and the ticket elevated to another CSR. Once the problem is resolved, the applet uninstalls, the ticket closes, and it's on to the next customer. Subsequently, a custom post-ticket survey can poll the customer about the experience. These responses can be aggregated for performance measurement and monitoring purposes. Remote diagnosis, access, and control. To remotely access and control the customer's PC, locate the computer on the support ticket. Or, if not using the trouble ticket module, the host PC's page, and click the Connect button. Note that when the ticket was initiated, eBoulevard automatically collected technical data about the computer that can be useful while troubleshooting. If you're accessing the PC in unattended mode, enter the host password. For attended mode, your customer must click the Allow pop-up on their screen for you to connect. Your customer screen is then displayed, and you can operate the remote PC as if you were sitting in front of it. If the trouble ticket is being initiated by telephone, or you aren't using the ticketing module, you can generate a setup code to access your customer's computer. A setup code is an identifier used to associate an eBoulevard host to your account. To create a setup code, click Manage Setup Codes from your toolbox and enter your customer's info. You then provide the code by email, instant message, or over the phone and proceed with the support session. While connected, you can transfer files back and forth between computers, use the built-in messaging tool for communication, or record your session to a video file for later review. Trend analysis and billing. You'll use the ticket history report to analyze trends for a given time period and optionally export data to your billing system. Simply select the CSR or CSRs from the drop-down menu, select the ticket type, and input your date range. Once your report is generated, you then have the option to export your data to a spreadsheet or other third-party software. CSR performance measurement via surveys. CSR performance metrics can be collected and measured by surveys. Surveys collect feedback from your customers after a support session. This feedback can be aggregated to identify recurring problems, as well as measure customer satisfaction and CSR performance. Surveys are created or edited by clicking the Manage Surveys link from your toolbox. To create a new survey, click the Create New Survey button and give your survey a name. To save time, you can pre-populate questions and answers using the provided template or previously saved survey. For each survey question, you mark whether multiple answers are allowed or if an answer to the question is required. To edit an existing survey or review previously submitted responses to an existing survey, click the survey name. You can optionally export the responses into your own spreadsheet or application. To distribute a survey automatically to all customers, select the Auto Send User Survey option in your account preferences, or click the Email Survey button anytime to manually send the survey to your customer. Co-branding. Co-branding allows you to customize your eBoulevard pages with your logo, colors, and contact information so that your customer's view is complementary to your brand and website. To configure co-brand settings, click the Co-brand Settings link from your toolbox. You can activate or deactivate these settings instantly by choosing either Standard eBoulevard format or Custom Co-brand Settings from the current display setting at the top of the page. Upload your organization's logo and change the color of the tabs, buttons, text, and backgrounds. You can also add your phone number, footer text, and the organization's URL link. This concludes the Using eBoulevard Support Center tutorial.